Each kid has their own individual energy meter. This is how charged up they're going to be or how drained their battery might be. This is Neurodiversipedia, and we're going to talk about what that battery means in terms of going about your daily life. The level of arousal, or their battery level, is going to show us how ready they are to do something or how ready they aren't to do something. For kids with special needs, understanding this battery level or the level of arousal in their child allows you to go throughout your day much more comfortably. If your child's level of arousal is extremely high, it means they might be very alert, they might be anxious about certain stimulus, or they're just ready to explode at any time. You don't want a super high level arousal, but on the complete opposite side, you don't want a very low level of arousal. This means they aren't very alert and they're not really paying attention to what's going on around them. A kid with low level of arousal might look like he's uninterested, tired, or even maybe a little depressed. There's a lot of different strategies out there for trying to regulate these levels of arousals or your child's energy levels. Certain things like sensory integration therapy or even just physical exercise to get energy out is a great way to go about maintaining these battery levels. If you're concerned about how your child's energy level is throughout the day, check out getgoalie.com for more resources or talk to a medical professional.
Did that help you understand the term? If yes, give us a thumbs up or subscribe below. If it didn't, then leave us a comment and tell us why. What are we missing? We always want to do better. This is a project by Goalie. Check us out at getgoalie.com.